हेलो दोस्तों, आज हमारे साथ है निकिता महेश्वरी, a woman entrepreneur who is bubbling with determination and passion. She has charted her own unpaved paths, ventured into the industry which is mainly male dominated, completely unconventional. A lawyer by qualification and entrepreneur by choice. So, a co-founder of TileBazaar.com and Tatkal Lorry, a national and state entrepreneurship awardee 2019, a business research speaker. We would like to welcome Nikita. First of all, welcome to my channel called Motivation by Vishal Modi.
Hi.
Hello.
Thank you for inviting me.
Okay, Nikita. So tell me first, how have you discovered your passion?
So I think I figured out my passion for general management when I was in law school. पढ़ाई से ज़्यादा मेरा interest रहता था towards managing committees and interacting with new people, talking to resource person.
So when did you decide about EDI? So first entrepreneurship came in or first EDI came in?
Actually, I got to know my husband was presenting a paper in EDI back then. He was a friend, but he was presenting, and then that's when he told me, कि India का premier law institute है, Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India. It's primarily for entrepreneurs.
Yes.
So तब बस पता चला था.
Right.
So EDI का नाम पता था, फिर एग्जाम वगैरह दिया तो और रिसर्च की क्लैरिटी लिया about professors and subject and project reports कैसी होती है, and that's when I realized कि alright, EDI is the place to be if you really want to pursue your entrepreneurial dreams.
Now, once you got into EDI, so बाद में ये तत्काल लॉरी कैसे हुआ?
So the day I got my EDI ka letter, my father was in this small town called Morbi, which is near Rajkot. My father has his career in tiles industry. So I have been brought up around tiles. Me and my brother, we are brought up around tiles. हमने हाथों से टाइल बनाई है, जब वो बड़ी बड़ी मशीनें होती थी तो सैम्पलिंग हाथ से होती थी. So my letter came in from EDI that congratulations, you've received an admission, and I was very excited. So we decided to surprise Papa, and we went to Morbi. India at that point in time was third largest producer of tiles in the world. We are now the second largest producer of tiles in the world.
Okay.
90% of that production takes place in Morbi. So that's when we saw the potential, and we were like, "Ki sab bikta hai online, tiles क्यों नहीं बिकता?" We came back to Ahmedabad and we started researching more about tile industry. We started talking to a lot of people, and so we were like, कि जो एकदम आप जोश में होते हो when you're like 17 and 22, like अब मचाना है जिंदगी में, अब we're going to be amazing entrepreneur, अब हम पैसा कमाएंगे. And so we said कि अब तो भैया सब कुछ ऑनलाइन बिकता है, टाइल भी बिकेगी क्योंकि हम बेचेंगे, क्योंकि हमारे पास तो है मोरबी. So my brother is a techie, I am a general management girl. My father has the network, and so Shikhar and I, we were like, chalo, ab we will launch Tile Bazaar.
You wanted to start selling tiles online?
Yes, we wanted to start selling tiles online. That was TileBazaar.com.
Nikita, your younger brother Shikhar, he was always supportive. He also wanted to get into entrepreneurship, or you pulled him in?
Yes.
कि आ जाओ, मुझे support चाहिए.
No, he was always very supportive. So we are very curious people like that, and we like building our own things. But over the period, we have realized our own each potentials. Both of us have evolved over the last 6 years a lot. We started, this was always happening in 2015. And we said, all right, let's launch Tile Bazaar. And we launched Tile Bazaar. हमने कैटलॉग्स मंगवाई, ये कर, पर हम हीरो थे तो हमने किसी भी कस्टमर से जाके बात नहीं करी कि भैया आप टाइल ऑनलाइन खरीदेंगे, पर which we should have done, because tile is not like a t-shirt. It's not a 500 rupees things that you're talking about. It is an investment.
So when you started this Tile Bazaar, so who funded it? Where did you got the fund from?
Yeah, so we were funded by our grandparents' money, father's money, for whatever.
कितने fund से शुरू किया?
We started with a very small fund of 5 lakh rupees.
Okay, so but what you did into 5 lakhs quick?
We built a website, we hired people, and that was literally waste of money. Then जब B2C नहीं चला तो B2B के लिए और research किया कि भाई कहाँ जाएगा, मतलब how do we connect suppliers and dealers. How do we help the suppliers build a dealers network? But उसमें भी we used to travel to Bombay, Bangalore to figure out कि customers को क्या चाहिए, dealers को क्या चाहिए. That also didn't work. And we realized कि चलो order भी आने लग गए हैं. But how do you process that? So whenever you try to create a Flipkart, it is very important that you have an e-cart with it. E-cart is the logistics and the supply chain organization of e-cart. Any e-com company needs the support of a logistics and supply chain management. Huge. It has its huge dependency on it. We never worked on it.
Right.
We did not do that. And that's how Tile Bazaar entirely collapsed. And that's how the idea of Tatkal Lorry came into place, that this industry needs a niche logistics and supply chain management company which works as a courier service provider, picks up from anywhere and drops it to anywhere in any quantity at any rate from any place to any of the areas in the city you work in. Tatkal Lorry is now 4.5 years old. It started on 13 June 2016. And today, after 4.5 years, we are in 13 cities. We have touched a revenue of 20 crores cumulatively.
Nice.
We are associated with 250 plus truck drivers.
How has EDI helped you to, structure your dream? EDI का क्या योगदान था? What was its contribution?
So EDI has taught me the very basis on which your entrepreneurial dream runs, from cost management to building SOPs to building networks to making you, how do you motivate your human resource? EDI teaches you all of the management things from an entrepreneurial perspective.
So there would be a lot of challenges, right? Which you would have faced. You have started something into logistics, which is mainly male dominated. So what problems did you face? What challenges did you face while you were, venturing into this industry?
Nobody takes a 22-year-old girl seriously who is not from this background. And that's a challenge. There are a lot of conflict that plagues. Plus, I'm very young to the people whom I hire. The people whom I hire are, 35 plus. You have to take people who are experienced, right?
Yes. Did you fail sometimes? Like people say, like India is not a safe country for women. So when you are going to that kind of area in Morbi, truck drivers interaction करना है, lorry drivers interact करना है. So did you feel sometime कि यार safe नहीं है मेरे लिए उतना?
हाँ, my working place is in such an area. It is deserted at night because trucks का unloading, loading होता है. And there have been instances when someone has come up to me and threatened me कि मैडम मेरा पैसा अभी ट्रांसफर करो वरना आप जानती नहीं हो मैं कौन हूँ. There is not one single female employee in my Morbi office. I have majority female employees in Ahmedabad office, which is HO, which is where I sit. Protection वाले part पे मैं अभी भी बहुत clear नहीं हूँ क्योंकि कभी-कभी मुझे भी बहुत डर लगता है. But I make sure that in my organization, nobody can talk to a woman in any tone. I have stopped working with a few people primarily because they shouted at my women leaders.
Employees.
I will not tolerate that. They're leaders. They lead teams. I have women leaders. They're team leaders.
Super.
So, yeah.
What are the 3 qualities that an entrepreneur requires to be successful?
The 3 qualities that an entrepreneur requires to be successful is, one, and very important, is never giving up attitude. You have to be an excellent teacher and an even better student. Okay. So you have to learn also and you have to teach also. And third and the most important again is the art of sacrificing. You will have to sacrifice your time, energy, money, sweat, sleep to build this organization brick by brick if you're trying to build a legacy.
Okay, what is one of the best compliments that you have got from your client?
That they are the go-to people for anything. आपको सिर्फ order place करना पड़ता है and then everything just happens. So it was a beautiful compliment.
Nikita, how do you spend? How do you de-stress yourself? Like once as you said, there's a lot of stress, a lot of sacrifices. So how do you delight yourself?
I think I delight or de-stress by spending time with my favorite people. I have a bunch of people. I love talking. I love it. And so I'll just tell them, come on, I'm hosting a party. Come on home.
So has this entrepreneurship whole process, the whole journey changed you as a human, has made you a better human?
Yes. Oh my God, yes. I think it is because of Tatkal Lorry that I have become kinder, more understanding, stronger, a bit more patient.
Where do you see Nikita Maheshwari after, let's say, 10 years, or maybe Tatkal Lorry after 10 years?
So I do want to see Tatkal Lorry functioning without Nikita Maheshwari.
Okay.
And I want it to be a self-sustaining organization and a beautiful place to work at, irrespective of the fact how bad this industry is and how pressured this industry is. Nikita Maheshwari wants to become a very good leader. Like she aims to become a great leader, but she'll become a great leader once she is out of Rose ka jaddojahed. That is, greatness comes after the point where you have survived,
Right.
and survival is your not necessity. So right now we are surviving, and
Okay.
I want to clear that path, and I want to become a great leader, to be very honest.
The last question, 3 lessons that you would like to give to our listeners. The lessons could be from entrepreneurship, the lessons could be of relationship, it could be from your life, anything to our listeners.
So, number one life lesson that has always worked for me, and it's a general life lesson, कि यार हम लोग जिंदगी में रिश्तों को पीछे छोड़ देते हैं ये सोच के कि करियर बनाना है, बट मेरा एक्सपीरियंस ये कहता है कि अगर रिश्ते सही हो तो करियर तो तुम बना ही लोगे. यानी कि डोंट लीव योर रिलेशनशिप्स because you're trying to build a career. You will become this exceptional person that you would have not thought you can become. So अगर करियर पे इतनी मेहनत कर सकते हो ना, तो रिश्तों पे तो कर ही सकते हो, क्योंकि करियर शायद एक स्टैंड स्टिल आ जाएगा, पर रिश्तों में कभी स्टैंड स्टिल नहीं आता.
I second you. I believe that relationships and growth goes hand in hand.
I think any partner, a good partner, helps you grow. The second thing that I would want to tell everyone, this is an entrepreneurial lesson, that build a product that the customer wants and not the product that you think the customer wants. You have to build something that your customer is looking for. Ask them, question them, talk to them, tell them कि ये मैं बनाना चाह रहा हूँ या ये मैं बनानी चाह रही हूँ, क्या आप ये यूज करोगे? उससे आपको market. There are a lot of market strategies that comes to your mind when you talk to your customers. And last but not the least, be kind. Be kind, because you don't know what the other person is going through. You don't know what your customers are going through. So yeah.
I'm sure people are going to love this. Lot of entrepreneurs, the budding entrepreneurs will listen you and get inspired. Thanks for giving us time.
Thank you so much. Thank you for inviting me. It was a lovely, lovely chat with you.